In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print Invoice Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin so you are on your store dashboard. From here, you will be working from the orders area because invoices and printable order details are tied to individual customer orders. When you are ready, look at the left-hand navigation and go to Orders. This opens your full list of recent and past orders along with their status and details. Next, find the specific order you want to print an invoice for. If you have a lot of orders, take a moment to scan the list carefully so you select the correct one. When you see the order you need, click the order number. This will open the order detail page where you can review information like items purchased, quantities, pricing, shipping details, and payment status. It is a good idea to quickly confirm you are in the right place before you print, especially if multiple orders look similar. Now go to the top of the order page and click Print. This opens Shopify's printing options for that order. At this point, you will choose how you want the document to appear. Select Print Order Page if you want to print the order details directly from Shopify in a simple, clean format. If your store uses a document or invoice app, you can choose the option that routes you through that app instead. Document apps can offer extra formatting options like branded templates, custom invoice fields, or packing slip layouts, depending on what you have installed. After you select your preferred option, your browser's print dialog will appear. From here, choose your printer. Confirm the number of copies, and adjust settings like layout and margins if needed. If you want a digital copy, select the option to save as a PDF instead of choosing a physical printer. Before you finalize, use the preview window to make sure everything fits correctly on the page and nothing is cut off. Once the settings look good, complete the print command in your browser. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.